Okay, so here's the latest update. I tried and failed to electroplate some nickel onto that exhaust pipe, primarily because the power supply that I was using could only provide less than half of the current that was necessary to get the job done. If I had did some calculation beforehand, I would have known that, but yeah, I didn't. So anyways, it's a failure. I'll have to redo this. I'll have to figure out what I'm going to do with it. It's looking like I'm going to wind up putting some paint on it, which I did not want to do because, well, what are my options? Flat black. You don't want to paint an aftermarket, well, FMF pipe off the showroom floor flat black. That would just be tantamount to sacrilege. It's looking like my only option is to paint it silver, which is, I'll admit, it's gonna look stupid, but I think it's my only choice, because the only other possible option would be to just strip it right down to the bare steel, and you know, to give it the quote-unquote factory look, the heat-treated seams and whatnot. But I mean, geez, I mean, you have to, that requires so much maintenance. I mean, bare steel, I mean, the thing was already rusted, you know, when I got the bike. I can't deal with that, you know, with it rusting out more. So once I strip it down, I gotta throw paint on it. I don't have a choice. So it's looking like I'm going to be painted silver. I then successfully plated some of the smaller items, like the coolant drain plug here. Lighting in here is terrible, I don't know. Yep, nickel plated that. Thought I'd put it in there so I wouldn't lose it. Rear master cylinder bolt. Actually, if you look this part up online, on Partzilla or Revzilla or any of those guys, they have it listed, but the description on it literally says no description available. So I was really hoping to replace it, because like I said before, when I took that thing off the bike, it was pure rust, and I thought that it was unsavable. I almost threw it out, but thank God I kept it, because I can't get a replacement for that. So cleaned it up, cleaned all the rust off it, and electroplated it with nickel. Actually, this is the third time that that part got plated. The first two obviously were failures, likely because I did not strip off enough of the old zinc plating. I guess underneath the rust somewhere there was some zinc plating in the threads, mostly. I guess the threaded parts that were under the nuts. There was minor absence of rust, and I guess what wasn't rust was zinc plated. So anyways, long story short, didn't plate properly, so the third and hopefully final time I put the fine bristle wire wheel on the bench grinder, and really leaned into it, try to make sure I got everything that I could out of the threads. plated it, and looks like it turned out successfully. Looks like there's full coverage, no nickel flaking off, so I'm happy with it. I'm leaving it. I got some other little parts here that I just wound up painting, either painting them, just painting the heads on these. These are gas tank screws here. Just painted the heads on them, mostly because it looked better than like a nickel plated screw, and yeah, plus it's easier, and I was just done with nickel plating at that point. So there's the screw that holds the front of the seat down. This plastic part here, well, I was going to say you can't get it anymore. That's not entirely true. You can't get it from Partzilla. And of course, Rocky Mountain ATV, they won't sell it to me because I live in Canada, and I could get one off of eBay, and I almost took that route, but I mean, it's a little dinged up, it's a little scratched up, but you know, I think I can get away with using this. I mean, I just don't want to have to spend, what would it be, $9 American, which is what, like, I don't know, 14 bucks Canadian or something like that. I just can't justify that. I'll just use that one for now. These two here, I'm pretty sure these are what hold the mud flap onto the earbox. Yeah, I figured they would look better painted black, that blend in with the mud flap a little better, and kind of camouflage themselves in. And again, I just was just done with electroplating at that point. So there they are, painted black. Oh, and these little guys here, again, too small to do any electroplating on. These are, I don't know what you would call them. They basically cover the caliper slide pins. Yeah, I don't know how else to describe it. Yeah, so again, too small to electroplate, and I mean, who knows? They might look kind of decent. You know, a little bit of a contrast having the black and with the brushed aluminum. So yeah, there they are. Yeah, and there's the reservoir for the rear master cylinder. Could not get the yellowing off of it, and I mean, I was gonna say I tried everything, but I mean, obviously I didn't try everything because there's probably something out there that would return that back to its original translucent white. I don't know. But yeah, I didn't find it. I tried everything in my arsenal, I guess I should say, to clean that up. But yeah, it still looks pretty yellow. So anyways, at least I was able to get the wording and the lines highlighted. I'm kind of pleased with that, actually. Used a permanent marker, Sharpie, on that. So yeah, a couple hours out in the sunlight and it'll be gone, probably. But yeah, it'll look good. Looks good right now. So there's that. Looks like there's a focus on the stress fracture or stress mark on the connector tube here. I don't know if maybe the bike fell over and this kind of hit something. So I don't know, but to replace this would be pretty costly. So obviously I elected not to. The hopefully last item of the chassis anyway to get some attention is the gas tank. I already started doing a little sanding on that. I went over it, well, most of it anyways, with some 320 grit sandpaper. Try to get the scratches out. Yeah, I still got a ways to go. I mean, I still got to go at it with some 320 grit again. Yeah, this, I don't know, I'm going to have to try to smooth that out as best I can. I'm going to put some kind of protective sticker, I don't know, sticker's the right word, something, stick something over that to kind of try to protect it from wearing further. Wear right through here if it goes much deeper than that. And then of course, that goddamn aluminum gas cap that was on that. Jeez. Just, I mean, yeah, it looks terrible, and not the sort of thing that's going to be easy to. I mean, it won't clean off. I mean, Jesus, I tried cleaning it, wouldn't clean off. But so yeah, I'm gonna have to sand it off, I guess, and not the easiest spot to sand. I mean, obviously, look at it, jeez. So yeah, so that should be fun. But yeah, so I'm not gonna bother sanding in these areas where the radiator shrouds go, because they're going to be covered. So yeah, so just get the spots that you can see. You know, like you can kind of see that there where the graphics were. So yeah, that'll all get sanded out. I'm not too worried about that. If you want to make an old bike look new, the first and best thing that you should do to it is clean up the gas tank. It's amazing how much of a difference that makes, especially if you have an older bike that's got a steel gas tank. You know, chances are it's gonna be missing some paint, and therefore will likely have some rust on it. Plenty of scratches, no doubt, and possibly even a few dents. So yeah, if you can refurbish that and get an old steel tank looking new again, like that'll go a long way in making an old bike look new again. Because seems like for some reason the eye is drawn to the gas tank primarily. Not really sure why. Maybe the seat would be secondary to that, and the fender's third. I don't know, but yeah, the gas tank always seems to be the first thing that catches your eye. So anyways, yeah, so that's going to get sanded down. I got after the 320 grit, I'm gonna hit it with the 600 grit, then 1000 grit, then got some buffing pads and some compound to polish it up once the scratches are out. So yeah, this should look pretty good. Oh yeah, of course, you know, the suspension. Yeah, that'll be another, yeah, whole another chapter. Anyways, it's getting late. I gotta shut it down for the night.